Keep it simple and just mow.
Alright guys, so in this video I want to show you how I got rid of gravel and small pebbles in my front yard. I shot this video a while back before I had the sod installed. As you know, I had a pool installed and the builder actually had to come in here and lay a bunch of gravel. They needed a place to dump it, so I told them to dump it in the front yard. Unfortunately, when they were done, they were not able to get rid of every single piece of gravel that was laying there. So I had to go out and try to do the job myself. Unfortunately, I tried different ways of getting rid of it. I tried to pick it up by hand, but that was a big mistake. I tried raking it, I tried even blowing it with a blower. And I found those methods not too effective. So in my mind, I'm thinking I need a way to suck this gravel from the turf so that I can get rid of it once and for all. And I thought to myself, you know what? I need a vacuum for this, but I can't just use any kind of home vacuum. And there you go. I decided to use a shop vac. Pick up any shop vac you want. Local hardware store, very easy to find. Just get the cheapest model you can find. You don't have to go high end, and just go ahead and suck it up. So what I found is that the shop vac did a good job, but I had to find a way to loosen the gravel from the turf. So I used a push broom and just gave the turf a nice sweep. I went over it maybe once or twice, but then I used a shop vac to finish the job. All in all, it came out pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with the results. Now, if you have small pebbles or small pieces of gravel in your yard, go ahead and get a shop vac, loosen it up with a broom, and then pick it right up.